Are you tired of trying to change your habits but not seeing any results? Want to learn how to build good habits and break bad ones with ease? Look no further than James Clear's best-selling book Atomic Habits. In this book, Clear explains the science of habit formation and how it applies to our daily lives. He covers key concepts such as the habit loop, the role of cues, rewards, and the importance of creating an environment that supports our goals. Clear also emphasizes the idea that small changes in behavior can lead to significant improvements over time. He suggests that we should focus on making tiny improvements in our habits, rather than trying to make drastic changes all at once. Clear also covers the idea of identity-based habits, which is the idea that you become the type of person that you repeatedly do things. He explains that we should focus on creating habits that align with our values and identity, rather than just trying to achieve a specific goal. Atomic Habits is a comprehensive guide that offers practical strategies for building good habits and breaking bad ones. Clear's approach is based on science, and his writing is clear and concise. If you are looking for a guide to help you improve your habits, this is a great place to start. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your habits and achieve your goals. Get your copy of Atomic Habits today and start creating positive changes in your life. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your habits and achieve your goals. Download the best-selling book, Atomic Habits, for free now and start creating positive changes in your life today. So, don't wait any longer, get your copy now and start building the habits that will lead you to success.